Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to see direct tax focus area for Jan 22 exams. We have got a good amount of time in between from costing and direct tax. So let's use the time better. So anyway, I am going to cover all the topics that is important from direct tax perspective, from examination perspective. In this video, I am going to give you the order that we need to follow to get the maximum marks. That is number one. And I'm also going to give the view of December 21 exams. What is the expectation from the student, from the examiner perspective that has happened across India. So let's start the video. So let's first start with the question paper pattern. Everybody knows the question paper pattern would be 20, 20 and then 60. 20 marks would be MCQ and 20 marks for fill in the blanks, and then the 60 marks would be for the other areas. Okay, so let's start with the December 21 exam question paper. So a lot of questions have come from capital gain, PGBP, and all the 5 years there are some portion have been splitted. So examiner is very smartly put the the 5 years in such a way that you cannot skip and move away from one year to other. So that way the question paper has come. So that is one. Say what I mean is that you cannot choose one option to other option. Every option has got a easy portion and as well as a tough portion. So that is what I meant. And then there is a case study portion which would be there at the end, where students have been asked to read the case study and apply the tax knowledge and give their views. This is December 21 exam question paper. So let's talk about the prioritization. So with respect to the coming exam, my prioritization order would be start with international taxation, number one, and then double taxation. Before you start with double taxation, cover the deduction chapters completely, because double taxation will have adjustments that would be related to deductions. So you need to be thorough with deductions. Please go through the deduction chapter clearly. What is ATC, what is ATD, what is the maximum amount between ATC, ATC, double C, and so on so stuff. So cover everything and then cover DTAA. So these are the important chapters first, and then once you cover these two topics, go to PGBP first and then capital gain. So the next two prime areas. So once you are done with this, AMT, MAT and business restructuring and business planning related problems are there in our direct tax textbook. Cover those as well. So those are important. And then quickly move to AMT and MAT. And then the last one is revision, petition, appeals, settlement commissions. These are all expected at a final level, but those who cover these areas can get some 5 to 6 marks additional compared to a student who don't cover. You will be able to secure some marks here. So that is one thing, which are very easy, very less time consuming. That's what I normally say to students who come to my class. So do the same stuff. So this is what expected from direct tax. So prepare yourself well, see all the provisions. So do the same order. If you have any comments, any views, please leave your comments in the below section, in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching.